Hello everyone, welcome to part 14 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel 6 and Laravel 7 as well. We have recently upgraded our Laravel version to Laravel 7, so now you can try using Laravel 7 features as well. We will talk about Laravel 7 features as well very soon. Okay, new features of Laravel. Okay, so we will continue working on admin details form that we have started in last video, and we are going to finish in this video. And in this video our basic admin panel is ready that we can able to use for our ecom series or any other project as well. Okay, so this basic admin panel you can use in any of the websites, so it is really important to understand these 14 videos. This is the 14th video, and these 14 videos will help to make the new basic admin panel in Laravel 6 as well as in Laravel 7. Okay, so that will really helpful for you in future videos. Okay, so now we are talking about updating admin details, and we are able to update that name and mobile in last video, and in this video we are going to upload that image as well. And for images we are going to install intervention package of Laravel that will help us to not only uploading images, and that will help us to resize the images as well. Like if admin is going to add some very means that size is not suitable for our website, then we are going to resize that as per our requirement, and that is really helpful for us to display in a correct manner. Okay, so here first of all I'm going to install the intervention package, and that we can simply install by right click on my project file, and will run one composer command, and that I am going to do now. Ecom services new terminal at folder. If you are in Windows, you can simply right click git bash here, or you can use command prompt, and you know that how to run the artisan and composer commands for your project. You must be aware of that, and then you just need to enter one command: composer require intervention image. Okay, this command you just need to enter. It will install the latest intervention package for our Laravel 7 website. Okay, so just you need to wait for a few minutes, and then our Laravel package is going to install. Okay, so wait for a few minutes. So in the meantime we can work on other things, and we need to add update admin details. We need to add here multipart form data for accepting the files. Okay, so here we need to add enctype. We already know that thing we used to do in our core PHP as well. Okay, multipart form data. Okay, so that it can accept files. And we will also add validation for images as well. That is also another thing. Okay, so we have already added this field for adding image. And one thing more, we are going to add here condition that if image is already added, then we can show that image here, and we can add one more input type field for getting the image in hidden field. Okay, in case the image is already there, and while updating, if the admin is don't want, just admin, see here I will tell you like if the admin already added some image earlier, okay, and the next time he comes here and he wants to upgrade the name, but he don't want to upgrade the mobile as well as image. Okay, then that time we are going to add one input type hidden field, and in that hidden field we are going to pass the current image of the admin, so that if he will not add any image, we will pick the current image. Okay, So one of the image we need to pick. If we add this image, then we are going to pick that image. Otherwise we are going to pick the current image only. Okay, so this condition is really helpful for us. So we are going to do this thing we have also done in our basic ecom series, if you remember. Okay, so here I am going to check, going to add one condition here. If uh, see if that image is not empty, and image we can simply get from auth admin guard. You already know that we get all the details from guard, from admin guard. Okay, here we can get the image, that image is there or not, user and image. Okay, if image is not there, okay, so if image is not empty, then we are going to show this one. Sorry, yeah, if image is not empty, then we are going to show those two things. Okay, I'm going to make it down, one second, like this. Okay, so this one we will always show, and if image is not empty, then we are going to add here. First we are going to show the image itself, ref. Okay, here I'm going to show the URL of the image. Okay, I'm going to send the I'm going to do some URL here, that image URL, images. Okay, image URL we have not created yet, but we will keep it like this for the time being. Okay, and here we are going to add view image like this, and here we are going to add like this. Okay, and here we are going to add one input type hidden field, and its name will be like current admin image, this. Okay, and its value we already know that we can get the value, and this one. Okay, okay, so this is the thing, and we will see our intervention package. You can see that our intervention package has been installed. Okay, so that thing is already done, and now we are going to update admin details function. Okay, this one we can refresh once. Sorry, we will refresh once that everything is working fine. Okay, that is fine. Okay, so now I am going to here I'm going to update here. See, first of all I am going to check out that after sending image that it is reaching here or not. So I'm going to add one image. I'm going to add one image like this one. Okay, and see here that image is coming fine. You can see admin image is coming fine here. Okay, all the data of image is coming fine. Okay, so we are going to add the validation for image. First of all I'm going to add the validation for image. Okay, so I'm going to add the validation like admin image. There is very simple validation for image. See, required we are not going to give because this is not required, this is optional field. Okay, so I'm going to check with image validation. Image, it will only pick image for this field. Okay, and I'm going to give it here admin image, valid image is required like this. Okay, so if I will add something, some other file, like if I will add some video file, then it is going to show us the error. Okay, I'm going to check once again. Some syntax error is coming. Okay, semicolon, we forgot semicolon. Now we are going to check. Okay, I'm going to update admin details, and here I'm going to add the video, and then see it will show, it must show us the error. It must show us the error of image. I'm going to check why it is not showing. Admin, oh sorry, admin image, here it must come in image. Okay, now we are going to check once again. Refresh image. I'm going to add the video in place of image, and now sorry, node comes again. field is right admin image. I'm going to check it out that here we have given the correct admin image, that is file type is file only. Okay, that is also fine. And so where is the error? I'm going to check. Okay, so this one we can show this one down. Okay, so that is fine. I'm going to hide this one for the time being, and we'll see here, and here I'm going to add type. Okay, so let's see now we are going to check. I'm going to refresh, and now I'm going to check here. Again it is not working. Admin image admin image dot image valid image is required. Why the image check is not working here? Why it is not working? It is really amazing that image is not working. File save as. We have also added this one. Why that is fine. To check. Okay, so I'm going to add here like this. Okay, submit, not working. Okay, so we are going to check the image validation now. Like we have checked that another validation last time, we have checked for that mobile validation, name validation. Okay, see, now we are going to check the validation for image. Laravel validation for image. So it is simple enough to check the validation for image. I'm going to check here. So no issue, we are going to check the validation for image. Might be we will get some good validation for image. Okay, so this one is not working. We can try with this one. Required maximum size also is given. Okay, but we will try with this one. So let's see, we can try with this validation. Image must be of jpeg, jpg, png and gif. Okay, so let's see that if we able to do this one. I'm going to refresh and we'll try with video. I'm going to add the video in place of image, and still it is not working. Exceed the limit. Okay, still it is coming down, and it is not showing what we require. Admin underscore image, and we will check once again. Image it is not taking. Why it is not taking? Okay, so we can also try this one. So let's try now. Still not working. It's amazing why it is not working. It is giving us hard time. We are trying with various admin image and image, this one, and image. Okay, so this one is not working, so we need to left it this one only. It might work on server, but we have other options to resolve this issue. If sometime such thing happen, then we need to skip that thing, and we need to look for the alternative, because otherwise it will if we don't have that much time, then there is no way that we can waste that time, because might be some other time we able to do that thing. See, this syntax is very much fine, that admin image is image, and if image is not valid, then valid image is required. Okay, and it must work on server when we will upload the website. But now we are going to do one more alternative to resolve the issue. We are going to check in jQuery or HTML, that check we are going to add like image validation in jQuery, image validation in jQuery. Okay, like this. Okay, so HTML5 also. Okay, so we have got that validation, and we will check here. See here, accept this one. This one is the another way to add the validation. See, we can quickly add this one. Accept only images. Okay, so it will only accept image /star. Okay, so now I'm going to try this one, and we'll see that whether it will work fine or not. Okay, so I'm going to check it out. You can see that all the videos have been disabled. User can't able to select, only images user can able to select. See, these are the images, so user can able to select and submit. Okay, so now it is working fine. Okay, so now we have done with this alternative with this substitute. Okay, so now we can remove this die, and now we can upload. We just need to add the upload image script here. Okay, I'm going to upload image like this, upload image. So first of all, we are going to check that image is coming or not. We will add the condition for image $request and see has file is the condition for image, that if the image is coming from the form, then we are going to do further. Okay, so see, I'm going to put this image in one temp. We are going to get the temp image from the syntax $request file. Okay, we are getting the image in file here, admin_image. Okay, and after getting this temp image, I am going to again check for it's that the image is valid or not. Okay, so I'm going to check first that image is valid. If the image is valid, then I'm going to proceed further. Okay, so image is valid this is the syntax provided by Laravel. Okay, so we are going to do further. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to get the image in extension and get image extension. So we can get the image extension from $extension here, like this, $extension, and $image temp like this. And then there is one keyword, one function, get client original extension. This is the keyword to get the extension of the image when we post the image from the form. Okay, original extension like this. Okay, so now see, now we get that image extension. Then after that, we are going to generate a new image name. Okay, I'm going to generate new image name here, and that we can do like this, $image name. I'm going to make it like random, anything. I can use some numeric. Okay, I can do like this. Okay, any, I'm going to fix this one with $extension. Okay, so this is our new image name. We are going to add our own image name, and now we are going to check the image path. Okay, so image path where we want to save the image, and that will be image admin_images, and after that admin_photos. Okay, see, we need to create that folder ecom public images, admin underscore images. Here I am going to create one folder here, new folder, admin underscore photos, like this. Okay, here I am going to keep the images of the admin. Okay, so admin underscore photos, and after that here it will come as image name, like this. Okay, so finally I will save the image. Okay, upload the image. Okay, so finally we will upload the image here, and that syntax is image and then make, and here I'm going to save that .image temp. Okay, like save, and this one is $image path where we are going to save. Okay, so this is the path for the image, and finally our image will be saved. Okay, so we will add some conditions here as well, like if the image is not there, then we will save our current image, then we will pick our current image, and the image then that current image is not empty. Okay, like $data current image, current admin image that is not empty, like we have already saved the image, and next time the admin comes and try to update the image and not try to update the image, then current image we need to pick up. Okay, and here then we will add that image name. We are going to add $data current admin image, this one. Okay, and else one more condition we are going to add, $image name is empty. If nothing is happening, no image, nothing, then this one must be empty. Okay, and one thing we need to update this one as well. Now this time we need to add the image here, image image name. Okay, so this is our code, and now we can try saving the image here, and we will see that image comes or not. I'm going to go back and we'll check, and here I can upload any image, or I can get the image from our folder, but I'm going to create add this image. You can submit. Okay, so image class is not there. See, we have already installed intervention package, then we can use this class as well for intervention package, this one, use image. Now we can once again do can't write image data to path, image admin underscore images, admin underscore photos. Okay, I'm going to check where we have created ecom is fine. After that images must come here, images. Okay, and we will check once again our path is correct or not. Here it must come images. Okay, now I'm going to try once again. Now it is fine. See, the image has come up here. Here we need to give the path, and here we will check public images, admin images, admin photos. Here the image has come up. Okay, so now here also we are going to show the image, view image, and we are going to show this image here, view image. We already know that how to show that image. We just need to show here the image. Okay, we will give the link so that admin can open it and check it. Images, admin underscore images, admin underscore photos, and then this image name is already given. this one, and then we can close and close like this. Okay, and here we can give target black. Okay, now we can check it out, and you can check it out. This image is not coming. Images and photos. Okay, that thing has been left out. This one. Okay, now we can close and we'll try again. See, the image has come up. Okay, so now it is fine, and now we can update the image as well. And see, here we will also show the image here. Okay, in admin sidebar we already opened, and we can show this image there as well. Okay, in admin sidebar. Okay, it is easy to show the image there as well. I'm going to show this image there. I think this one show admin sidebar, and we can simply replace the image here. You can check it out. So now, okay, so like this we can show. Now this time I will update some other image, this is my image. I'm going to show submit, and now you can see my image. Okay, this is my image. Okay, so like this you can able to upgrade. The image is coming here. You can see the image is coming here. So like this you can able to upgrade this image. Okay, so I hope that everything is clear. You can try this one, and if you have any queries you can surely contact me. Okay, that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.